Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually delete channels on your Redline decoder. So if there is this particular channel and you want to delete it from your channel list, whether it's a religious channel or an adult channel that you don't want your kids to get access to it, you can actually take it out of your channel list. Or there is a scramble channel which is not working, but it's actually confusing whenever you are trying to pass through the channel list. You can take it out of the channel list by deleting it off from it. So these are simple steps. You pick up your remote and then you press on the menu button on your remote of your Redline decoder. So on the menu here, use the arrow left and right, top and down keys to navigate through the menu options over here, and then you put it on settings. So settings is down here, you press OK on it, and from this page, on top of this list, menu list over here, you press on the channel, OK on it, and from here we have delete all. If you want to actually delete all the channels, and after performing this delete all, there won't be any other channel on it. So if you don't know any way of actually scanning it, I have a video of scanning your decoder, but if you're gonna find it difficult to scan the channels back on your decoder, you don't have to perform this function on your decoder. That's the delete all. So we are talking about deleting one particular channel. So you go straight to the channel manager, you press OK on it, and here we have the channel list over here. So you need to select and then you highlight that particular channel that you want to eliminate it from your channel list, or you want to delete it once and for all. So let's say you want to delete this particular channel, let's say Hot TV. All you got to do is to press OK on it for it to be highlighted like this, and then you can delete 2 or 3 channels with one click. So you can just select one channel as the Hot TV, and then the next thing that you have to do is to proceed with the delete command. So on your screen we have some command down below. We have the red to lock the channel, the green to actually delete, the yellow to move, and then the blue to edit. So with the delete option, you press on the green button on your remote to actually command the delete menu on the screen. So you press on the delete button, which is the yellow, which is the green button. So after pressing on the green button here, you come to the yes, and then you proceed, press OK on it. So the channel is no more on your channel list. And the same thing you can do to multiple channels. You select it, you highlight it like this, and then all you got to do is to press on the green button, and then you select yes, and it's gone forever. So that's it. After that, all you got to do is to press on the exit button to return to your previous menu, and then you enjoy the remaining channels that you have on your decoder. So that's it for this video. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed, all you got to do is subscribe. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. You subscribe, you like the video, you share on other platforms, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching. Let's up.